हेलो गाइस, हियर इज नमन एंड वेलकम टू टुडेज व्लॉग। सो यस, जय श्री राम सभी को। मुझे पता है मैं 6 मंथ्स बाद ये वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ एंड इट्स टू लेट, बट सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो। टुडे वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट माय एकोमोडेशन टूर। व्हाई आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो बिकॉज अभी फिलहाल के लिए सितंबर इनटेक पास में आ रहा है एंड देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कमिंग टू एग्जिटर and you must be searching for best accommodation tour in Exeter. So best accommodation in Exeter. So I am Naman, your helping friend who will be helping you to choose your better and best accommodation as per your preferences, as per your budget and as per your choices. So let's start with this video, which accommodation I'm staying in and how nearby university is, like how much time it takes to reach to university, it is nearby to city center or not, because three things matter: university, groceries and walking is the main thing. So let's start with my accommodation tour, how my accommodation looks like and which accommodation I'm staying in. So let's start with this video. Let's get started with my accommodation tour. The opposite you see is the Odeon Cinemas, and also if you get entered, this is the Trust House accommodation tour. The bookings are open for the September 2025 for the new students who are coming for this intake. By just getting in, you will see a reception area. Left side is the lockers where the courier comes. So you can, if you want to book, you can book by the application host. Also, the location is very perfect, just a 2-minute walk from the city center. That means you are super close to Tesco for groceries, Pizza Hut and KFC for quick meals. The building is safe and modern with a friendly reception team to help you out. Plus, it's really easy to get to campus, just a short bus ride or a nice walk if you prefer. So let's go inside and check out the rooms. Right opposite us is boutique student living. I picked an ensuite room, totally worth it for the privacy. But before we go in, check out the sunny common space of a park having a vibes during the sunny days. Now let's take the lift down to the real fun zone. Everything is operated by host. There is a contact number. If you get stuck, you can just call out. There are 5 floors. Coming out from the lift, we are heading towards common room and also the laundry space over here. It is a very soothing place for myself. I study hours and hours here. So let's get started. Right here, our common room, and this is the common area which also include the laundry space. This is where everyone hangs out. We have got pool, board games, a mini library and this comfortable lounge with a huge TV. Ideal for movie nights and just avoiding our busy nights. This is my go-to place where I'm tired of my room. I study here for hours, way more focused than like alone comparing to my ensuite room. I can also chill out with my friends, grab snacks from the vending machines when hunger hits. Also, when I need breaks, I play pool games, perfect for de-stressing after lectures and after studying. Here is the laundry spot with 2 washers and 2 dryers. Budget about £6 per week and I wash regularly. No coins needed, just use the circuit app, book pay and start your wash digitally. This is hands down my favorite spot in Trust House Exeter. Planning my project. Also, when I get with my friends, I just debating random stuff with my friend. We can just play pool matches. Every time loser buy snacks from the vending machine. When I need quiet time, the little library corner is very perfect with the comfort seats, random books, great escape from assignments. Now let me show you what makes Trust House really special, my ensuite room. Let's go. So here we are. Welcome to my ensuite room. There are 3 types of room in the accommodations you can choose. First is the sharing, second is ensuite and third is studio. So for the betterment for myself, I choose ensuite because it was comfortable for a single person. I start by entering with my key and this is the moment that really feels like coming home. First up is the desk, my little productivity corner. Whether I'm studying, editing or just scrolling, this space has everything I need. Next, here's my bed, my favorite spot to relax after a long day. And yes, meet my roommate, my little teddy, always chilling right there. Now let's talk about something super important, the heaters. Especially in colder months, these are lifesavers. The room stays warm and cozy no matter how chilly it get outside. Storage wise, I've got more than enough space, from clothes to groceries and even a few random things I probably don't need. Everything has its place. The wardrobe, it's spacious and there are extra shelves and cabinets tucked around too. There are also dustbins which might seem small, but they are super handy to keep everything clean and hygienic. And now my favorite part, the window. I usually open it while I study. There is something too peaceful about the fresh air and the quiet sounds of the nature. It really helps me focus and feel calm. And finally, a big thank you to host. I completed my booking with them with the application, and it's honestly been a great experience. Just to be clear, this isn't a paid promotion. I'm sharing this because I genuinely think this room is one of the best choices I've made to complete this. Now here is one of the handy features I absolutely love. Controlling lights from my bed. While I am reading, I can just tap a button and turn on the reading light without even getting up. Super convenient, especially when you are warm and tucked in the winters. I can also control the main lights from here, whether I want a soft dim vibe or a full brightness. It's all adjustable by just laying down on your bed. And now my favorite little corner, my temple. This is where I pray every day. Ganesha is more than just a everything for me. He is like a friend, a partner, and a part of my daily routine. Starting and ending my day here gives me peace and positivity. Right next, it is my wardrobe. I don't really use hangers much. I keep it simple, but it's spacious enough to fit all my clothes and essentials. So no complaints there. And finally, the private onset washroom. It has everything. I need a clean toilet and a good shower and a neat little sink setup. It's great having my own space to freshen up without having to share with anyone. Now let's head over to one of my favorite places, the kitchen area. The sharing kitchen area. This is where I get to put my hands to work and cook my own meals. There is just something too satisfying about making my own food, and even better where you can enjoy it with a good TV show playing in the background. The shared kitchen here is honestly the great one. There is plenty of space which makes it comfortable when few new people are around. It doesn't feel cramped and everything is clean and well organized. We have got all the essential appliances, a big fridge to store our food, a microwave for quick meals, a toaster, and of course a kettle to get hot water anytime. Whether it's for tea, coffee, or a quick cup noodle fix, sometimes when I need a change of my scene from my room, I come here with my laptop or a notebook. Here it's actually a nice little spot to study or just chill with a meal. And it's not just about cooking here. The kitchen has a few extra features that make life easier. We have got cleaning equipment available too, like mops, brooms, and vacuums. So it's easy to keep both the kitchen and our rooms neat and tidy whenever we need. One of my favorite spots in the kitchen is actually this little corner where I like to sit and work, whether I'm editing videos or writing down content ideas. This space somehow helps me focus. Maybe it's the background hum of life happening around me, or maybe just the smell of food cooking. And there is nothing better than having dinner while video calling my family, seeing their faces, hearing their voices. It brings such peace, especially while enjoying a home style meal. It makes everything feel just a bit closer to home. And when the sun is out and the weather's perfect, sitting here with a bowl of dal chawal and a view of the sky, honestly, that's my kind of happiness. And that brings us to the end of my accommodation tour. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.